Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gastronomic Delights by LBN. Today we'll be making super fudgy, healthy, flourless and sugar-free pumpkin brownies. These super fudgy brownies are really healthy and ideal for kids as they don't have any kind of all-purpose flour or refined sugar. You can see the texture of these brownies. They are so chocolatey, they just melt in the mouth. You can see the cracks on the top when baked. They are really fudgy and very healthy and ideal for health conscious people who don't want refined flour or any kind of refined sugar in their desserts. Let's see the ingredients. So the main ingredient for this recipe is pumpkin puree. So this is homemade pumpkin puree, approximately 1 cup. You can also use the tinned pumpkin puree, but making a pumpkin puree at home is very easy. Just take a chopped pumpkin, put it in the pressure cooker and give 1 to 2 whistles. And then using the fork, just roughly mash the pumpkin and your puree will be ready. You don't need to blend the pumpkin in the blender and no need to throw the excess water. Next ingredient that is required is peanut butter. Here I am using a chunky, no added sugar peanut butter. You can alternatively use any other nut butter of your choice. You also need 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I am using dark cocoa powder here. Then we need approximately 1/3 cup of honey or a maple syrup. You can alternatively use any kind of raw sugar like brown sugar or coconut sugar as well. We also need some grounded flax seeds. You can just roast the flax seeds and ground them in the grinder. And we also need some chocolate chips, approximately 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate chips. These give very chocolatey texture to our brownies. Next ingredient we require is baking soda. So this is an optional ingredient. If you don't want baking soda, you can remove it. You can don't put it in the brownies. And with pumpkin, cinnamon powder goes very well. So we'll need 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And we also need some rock salt. This will add a little punch to our brownies. So we need some rock salt as well. So these are the main ingredients that we require in our brownies. Most of these ingredients are very simple and easily available. However, I've also mentioned the substitutes that can be used for these ingredients to make these super yummy, healthy brownies. And I'm sure your kids will gonna love this. Do give it a try. And let us start with the recipe now. To start with the recipe, we need a rectangular tin. Here I'm using 6 into 9 inches rectangular tin, and I've coated it with oil and applied a parchment paper. Take a glass bowl or a cup and add chocolate chips in it. We need to melt these chocolate chips. So just microwave it for 30 seconds interval for 1 or 2 times, and now you can see the chocolate chips has been melted. We'll just stir it well so the mixture is smooth because it's really hot, and we'll just keep it aside to let it cool for a while. Now take a bowl, and in a bowl we'll add the pumpkin puree that we made. So you can see we have the excess water. We have not drained the water from the pumpkin. And now we're gonna add the peanut butter, and we're just gonna mix it well. It will take little time because peanut butter is little hard. Just mix it well. You can also use a blender to mix it together in a blender, but I'm using normal whisk to mix it well. So now you can see the both pumpkin and peanut butter is mixed well. I'm gonna add honey. Just pour all the honey into it and again mix it well. So this mixture will be little thick, so we'll keep it as it is. Now add the flax seeds and cocoa powder. So now just mix it well. If you are doing it in a blender, just put all the ingredients together in a blender and mix it well. So now you can see everything is mixed well. Chocolate has been mixed well, and pumpkin and peanut butter has been mixed well together. You can see the mixture, it's so good and glossy. Now we're going to add the baking soda. If you want to skip baking soda, just don't add the baking soda, and just start adding the salt. You can skip the step of adding the baking soda. Now we're going to add our cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder actually goes very well with pumpkin, and it gives a very good flavor to our brownies. Just mix all ingredients well, and now since our chocolate has cooled a bit, we'll add the chocolate, melted chocolate that we made, and just mix it well, and you'll see this chocolate will add more color to our brownies and also give a good glossy texture. I'm using a spatula now to mix the ingredients. We don't mix it very hard, just gently mix the chocolate with the batter. And you can see there is a crunch element in the batter, and this is because of the peanut. As I've used the crunchy peanut. Also, you can find little chunks of pumpkin in the batter. That is totally okay. We have roughly mashed the pumpkin. So now just take the greased pan and just pour the batter into the pan and spread the batter. We don't need batter to be really smooth. It is little thick, and that is how we need it. You can just use the spatula and spread the batter evenly across the tin. Now bake the batter in the preheated oven at around 175 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes, and you can see my brownies has been baked. You can see the beautiful texture of the brownies. The crust has been very good, and now I'm poking it with a toothpick, and you can see it is coming out clean. Yeah, so this is the perfect brownie. So this brownie is really soft, so you have to let it cool before demolding it, and you can also refrigerate it for around 30 minutes before demolding and cutting it into the pieces, because it is really soft. So otherwise it will break and it will be little gooey. So refrigerate the brownies for around 15 to 30 minutes and let it cool down, and then you can just cut them into the squares, and you can see the brownies, the texture is so perfect. The brownies are really fudgy. You can see the crunchy peanut, the crunch of the peanut butter, it's forming as a nut. You can see the crust, and inside it is so soft, and the top and the crust is so fudgy, and really the way it has to be cracked brownies, and they look so amazing. You can also see the little pumpkin on the side top of the brownie. So definitely the chunks of pumpkin and peanut butter, chunky peanut butter, will give another texture to these brownies. Do try at home. I cannot resist eating them, so I'm gonna eat it now. And they are really yummy. They are very fudgy and chocolatey. Do try them at home, and I'm sure your kids gonna love it, and your family is gonna enjoy it a lot. Do try. Happy baking. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more interesting recipes.